Welcome to this tutorial on how to track airline miles in Awardwallet. Awardwallet is a free service that helps you manage your loyalty programs, including airline miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards. To get started, sign up for an Awardwallet account by going to their website and filling out the registration form. Once you have created your account, log in and click on the Add Account button. Select the airline program you want to track from the list of available loyalty programs. You will need to provide your airline loyalty program account number and password to link your account to Awardwallet. After linking your account, Awardwallet will automatically sync your account data and display your current mileage balance. You can view your account balance, expiration dates, and redemption options all in one place. To track multiple airline programs, simply repeat the process of adding an account for each program you want to track. Awardwallet supports over 600 loyalty programs, so you can track all your airline miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards in one convenient location. In addition to tracking your account balances, Awardwallet also provides expiration date reminders, so you never miss an opportunity to use your miles before they expire. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you when your account balance changes or when a new redemption option becomes available. To make the most of Awardwallet, it is a good idea to regularly update your account information and sync your data to ensure that your balances are accurate and up to date. You can also use the Awardwallet mobile app to track your accounts on the go. By following these steps, you can easily track your airline miles in Awardwallet and make the most of your loyalty programs. Awardwallet is a powerful tool that helps you manage your loyalty programs, maximize your rewards, and travel for free.